This Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine is engineered for people who want cafe-quality coffee at home without the learning curve, mess, or time commitment typically associated with traditional espresso setups. It is a machine built around convenience, consistency, and customization, offering a premium coffee experience that feels effortless yet refined. From the first cup to the thousandth, this machine is designed to remove friction from your daily coffee ritual while preserving the rich aroma, balanced extraction, and creamy textures that define great espresso-based drinks. At its core, the Philips 3200 series is about automation done right. Unlike semi-automatic machines that demand grinding knowledge, tamping technique, and manual milk steaming, this system handles every step internally. Fresh beans are ground, brewed, and extracted at optimal parameters with minimal user input, ensuring reliable results regardless of experience level. This makes it particularly attractive to households with multiple users, busy professionals, or anyone who values excellent coffee but does not want their mornings dominated by equipment setup and cleanup. One of the defining strengths of this espresso machine is its ability to deliver 5 aromatic coffee varieties at the touch of a button. Espresso, coffee, Americano, cappuccino, and latte macchiato are all produced with consistent quality, allowing users to shift seamlessly between bold, concentrated shots and milk-forward drinks depending on mood or time of day. The intuitive touch display plays a central role here, presenting drink options clearly and allowing fast selection without navigating complicated menus. This interface significantly lowers the barrier to entry for fully automatic espresso machines, making the experience approachable rather than intimidating. The aroma extract system is a critical component of the Philips 3200's performance, intelligently balancing water temperature and extraction timing to maximize flavor while avoiding bitterness or flatness. This system ensures that coffee is brewed within the optimal temperature range, preserving nuanced aromatics while maintaining body and crema. For users who prioritize taste consistency over manual experimentation, this technology provides confidence that each cup will meet expectations without constant adjustment. Grinding is handled by a 100% ceramic grinder, a feature that adds both performance and longevity value. Ceramic grinders generate less heat than metal alternatives, protecting delicate coffee oils and aromas during grinding. They are also more resistant to wear, helping maintain consistent grind size over time. This is especially important for espresso, where grind uniformity directly impacts extraction quality. The Philips 3200 allows users to adjust grind settings, giving them control over strength and mouthfeel while still benefiting from automated precision. Milk-based drinks are where many automatic machines fall short, but the LatteGo milk frother system distinguishes itself through simplicity and hygiene-focused design. With only 2 parts and no tubes or hidden channels, it eliminates the common issues of milk residue buildup and difficult cleaning. The frother produces smooth, airy milk foam suitable for cappuccinos and latte macchiatos while being easy enough to rinse under a tap or place in the dishwasher. This design encourages frequent use rather than avoidance, a subtle but important factor for long-term satisfaction. Maintenance is another area where the Philips 3200 series excels. The AquaClean filter system dramatically reduces the need for descaling, allowing up to 5,000 cups before descaling becomes necessary when filters are changed as prompted. This not only saves time, but also protects internal components, contributing to machine longevity and consistent water quality. For users who dislike maintenance routines or live in areas with hard water, this feature alone can be a decisive advantage. Customization is handled through the My Coffee Choice function, enabling users to adjust coffee strength, volume, and milk intensity to suit personal preferences. While this machine does not aim to satisfy extreme espresso purists seeking granular control over every variable, it strikes an excellent balance between flexibility and simplicity. It empowers users to tailor drinks without overwhelming them with technical complexity, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced coffee drinkers who value convenience. From buyers' perspective, the Philips 3200 series aligns perfectly with high-intent search terms such as fully automatic espresso machine, home espresso maker with milk frother, one-touch coffee machine, ceramic grinder espresso machine, and easy clean coffee maker. More importantly, it delivers real-world performance that validates those search queries, translating interest into satisfaction and long-term use. Key features and benefits: fully automatic brewing system delivering consistent espresso and milk drinks. 5 one-touch coffee varieties for versatile daily use. Intuitive touch display for fast, user-friendly operation. Aroma extract system for optimal temperature and flavor balance. Ceramic grinder for durability and aroma preservation. LatteGo milk frother with ultra-fast cleaning design. AquaClean filter reducing descaling frequency and maintenance effort. Pros and cons. Pros. The Philips 3200 series offers exceptional convenience by automating the entire coffee-making process while maintaining impressive flavor consistency across multiple drink types. Its ceramic grinder enhances aroma preservation and long-term reliability, while the LatteGo milk system simplifies cleaning to an extent rarely seen in milk-based espresso machines. The intuitive touch display and My Coffee Choice customization make it accessible for beginners and satisfying for regular coffee drinkers, and the AquaClean filter significantly reduces maintenance demands, making daily ownership effortless and appealing. Cons. The machine is designed for convenience rather than deep manual control, which may limit appeal for espresso purists who enjoy fine-tuning every extraction variable. Milk foam texture, while smooth and consistent, may lack the dense microfoam preferred by advanced latte artists. Additionally, the fully automatic system comes at a higher initial investment compared to basic coffee makers, which may feel substantial despite the long-term value it provides. Final verdict. The Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking cafe-quality coffee at home without complexity or cleanup frustration. It blends intelligent brewing technology, thoughtful design, and low-maintenance operation into a system that fits seamlessly into daily life. Whether you enjoy bold espressos, creamy cappuccinos, or smooth latte macchiatos, this machine delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if the Philips 3200 series is the right upgrade for your coffee routine. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.